Hi dear students, welcome back to your chemistry class. Today we are going to start with a new topic which is called symbol. So what is the definition of symbol? Definition of symbol, it is an abbreviation for elements English or Latin names. So instead of using their full name, we use only the first or the second letter of their name as an abbreviation. So it is used instead of the full names, and it is not only used in chemistry as well as in any other field like biology, like physics, and some other fields. Anywhere when we use elements, we use the symbols of elements. So mostly we use the first or the second letters, one letter or the two letters. So, and the first letter is always written with uppercase, and if the second letter is needed, so we use that with lowercase if it is needed. And why symbol? Because to not waste the time and not writing long elements, long names, so we use the letters instead. Here are some examples. Fluorine, we use F, and hydrogen, for example, we use H. For oxygen, we use O. For iodine, we use I. They are the English name. And potassium or kalium, we use K, which come from the Latin name. Iron or ferrium, we use Fe. Because why Fe? Because F is used for fluorine. So here we use F and E. Here, calcium, carbon, chlorine, all of them start with C, so we cannot write only C for them. We use C for carbon and then Ca, C with capital letter and A with lowercase, and here Cl for chlorine. So that's all for symbols. And our second topic for today is formula. So what is the definition of formula? It is combination of symbols that makes the compound, or it is the symbolic representation of compounds. So they are divided into three different types. The first one is called empirical or simple formula. So why it is called simple? Because it gives us the least detail. It only says that which type of elements are involved in the compound and what is the ratio. For example, we have propene. Propene, it only says in simple formula, it only says that we have carbon and hydrogen, the type of elements. And it also said that there is one portion of carbon and two portions of hydrogen in this compound. The second one is molecular formula. Molecular formula gives us more details than the simple one. Beside the type of the element and the ratio, it also gives us the actual number of elements. Here we have, it says that we have carbon and hydrogen, the type of element. And it also says the portion, one portion of carbon and two portions of hydrogen. It means that we need two hydrogen per each carbon. And it also said that there are 3 carbons and 6 hydrogens in propene. And the third one is structural formula. It gives us more details than any other formula. It says the type, which type of elements are involved, what is the ratio, what are the actual number, and the way they bond together. So here, type of element. Here it is the formula of propene, the structure formula. We have carbon and hydrogen. Again, we know the type of element. The ratio, here are 3 carbons and 6 hydrogen. So again, the ratio is 1 portion of carbon, 2 portion of hydrogen. And the number, 3 carbons, 6 hydrogen. And the way they bond. So what type of bonding do they have? For example, a carbon with hydrogen, it is a single covalent bond. and here carbon with carbon, it has a double covalent bond. That was all for today. So if you have any question, you can comment down below. And for more videos, share, like and subscribe our channel. And do not forget, stay home, stay safe and save lives. Goodbye.